things were going really well up until this happened with the bus. Hi guys, welcome back. It's been a while since we've put one of these videos out. Been working on a lot of other things. So here you're going to see two serious faults. This was from a real driving test quite recently. First fault was pulling up on the right, reversing back, but there was an issue with the bus, as you've seen in the preview. And the second fault was to do with normal driving position, using a right lane instead of the left lane for going ahead. You can see an example of that here. They come off on the right hand lane. There was no need to do this. There was no advanced instruction telling them that they're turning right up ahead. There should have been an exit on the left. But what they do manage to do quite safely, you can see in the mirror, nothing's coming up the back of them. They managed to get over, unprompted from the examiner, which is good. So they would pick up a minor fault here for doing that little bit of driving on the right side. It wasn't needed, but this wasn't marked as serious. Alright, so now they've come through to Hillbeath. They've been asked to do the stop on the right. They've pulled up on the right here. Now you can't really tell from these camera angles, but the car wasn't in enough towards the curb. There was a bit of a gap on the right hand side. On top of that, there was a bit of a slight angle. You might be able to tell, so when they start to reverse the car back, it starts to veer out from the curb. It's coming away from the curb and a little bit too close to the centre line, and actually goes over that centre line, which is going to cause some problems for the big old bus that's coming towards us. As fate would have it, that's what's going to happen, right? So the situation here is the bus just couldn't get past. Eventually the learner decides, oh, I better get out of the way here and move forwards, which is obviously the right thing to do. At this point they just got told, okay, we'll just drive on when you're ready. So that's the first fault there. So I'm going to just speed things up here. There was no issues on the way back towards the test centre other than driving on the right rather than the left lane. So everyone should hopefully know, if you've got the choice of lanes, take the left of your options. That's our normal driving lane. If you decide you want to be in the right hand lane, you can be for a little bit of time, but don't use it more than you should. Up here, there's a reason the person moves into this right lane. There's a blockage on the left lane. So they move over. You can see in the mirror the yellow car does the same sort of thing. But at this point, they should have moved back, just like the yellow car does in the mirror. But this person stayed on this lane. Now, they've been asked to go to Dunfermline A907. You can use this lane. It does connect to the A907. But it takes you off the roundabout on the right hand lane. You don't want that. You want to be trying to find the entry that connects you to the left hand lane for normal driving. So let's just speed this footage up here. You'll see the exit from this roundabout happens to be on the right hand lane. Now keep watching. Right hand lane. Right hand lane. And again at this roundabout, on, round, off, and the right hand lane, right hand lane, right. This is wrong. This should be left hand lane for normal driving. Right hand lane. Now, at some point here, they realise and they think, I need to get back, and they do bring the car back over. Far too late. Damage has been done. The fault has already been marked. So just to stress, normal driving position, if you have more than one option, try your best to get into the left of your options. From here, back to the test centre, no other faults recorded. So in summary, the bus was blocked because the car came away from the curb on a right reverse, and normal driving wasn't done on the left for too long, too many times. That's it guys, hope it's been helpful. Let us know, tell us what you think, leave a comment, share. Catch you next time.